Welcome back, friends. Let's continue with our demonstration where we stopped. I'm logged in as compute, stack user, stack password. What was the last script executed? You can see with history, and last script was here, script number 2, upgrade, nothing else. So here the scripts are located into scripts Ubuntu directory, and second number script is upgrade. So setting up Nova, let's see, we have script number 3 will be setting up Nova on the compute node, and we'll see that on the controller node. So let's log into the controller node as well. This is the controller node history. We can check what all we executed here. We can verify why it is not working, but it should work. Yeah, control. If it is frozen, let me restart my machine. Issues. And this is my storage machine. Let me start the server storage as well. Stack. I'm logged in on this machine as well, and what we have executed here is so we have not executed any command on this machine. So first we need to check config directory, OpenStack. Inside that, yes, we are working with Yoga, so repository part is perfectly done. So if the repository part, and what about the IP addresses? Config storage, so let's see with IP address only on OpenStack directory, OpenStack file. Yeah, IP addresses are perfectly fine. So this is storage. Go back to the main directory, cd scripts, Ubuntu, first script, initializing. Go to the first line and check that what version is selected with mentioned here for the repository. So let's see, is it Yoga? Yeah, Yoga is configured here. So we have Yoga repository set. So we can use the script number 1, we can execute. This will initialize the repository if it is not already initialized. So, and after that we can verify the internet connectivity also. I think they are already done. And let us see in the meanwhile the controller machine. To verify internet connectivity, ping google.com. Yes, internet is reachable. Second number script will be only upgrade, so we can execute it without any problem. Same thing. So execute script number 2, and let's go to the controller node and compute node back. This is my controller node, still coming up. So let's execute script number 3, which will be nothing but Nova. So script number 3, Nova log permission denied. Okay, ls-al, we need to check who is the owner of the file. Home stack log. Okay, so ls-l ls All right. Oh, we need to be in the root directory, home directory, ls-al. Yeah, here see the some of the directories are owned by root user. So chown sudo chown uppercase R stack dot stack and star. This will make all files and directories to be owned by stack user. Now this is fine. cd scripts ubuntu and script number 3. This will set up Nova on the compute node. Let's see the controller node now. Yeah, it is logged in. What is this happening? Why I'm not able to log in? Let me stop this machine and restart. Now I've stopped the machine and I'm going to restart it. Rebooting is okay. So after reboot we'll see that. What is the status on the storage node? So installation of this is completed on the storage node. The files on the storage node are not right. So what I'll do is I'll just copy some files. cd so sudo su hyphen cd OpenStack storage, and here what we need to do is we need to copy only some files here under script directory. Only these files are there, Ubuntu. So let's copy these files. First of all, rm-rf /home/stack/scripts/ubuntu. We'll delete all of them, and now cp star /home/stack/script/ubuntu. There's a typo, scripts. Okay, we can use -r. cd /home/stack/script/ubuntu vi number 1 now script, and we need to set the version correctly because we are working with Z and Wallaby. So let me change it to Yoga. And this is going to be Yoga. This is also going to be Yoga. Rest everything is fine. Yoga repository is configured. ls-al. Files are owned by root, so chown -r stack dot stack star ls-al. Check that. Yes, now I can exit from here and I'm good here. So I was working with the repository was set. So step number 1 and 2, script number 1 was initializing the repositories. Step number 2 was Swift. So we need to open the script number 2. This is installing packages for Swift. I'm good here. I can simply execute it. Step number 2, Swift. So it will install the packages. Oh, there's a file missing. No issues. We'll see that. Let me switch to sudo su hyphen cd OpenStack Z cd storage cd config ls. Do we have config.storage? Yes. cp config.storage 2/home/stack/config. Go to that home stack config chown stack.stack and this file config.storage. This file was missing. So exit and continue. Let's continue with this execution. So this will install Swift packages, object storage packages. Now let's go back. Controller node. Now we are on the controller node. Let's log in again. Stack, and here we go to the directory again, cd. So scripts and Ubuntu. Now the last script executed here, we can check with the history. So last script was 24 number, Cinder. 24 number script, you can see last script was Cinder script was executed successfully. Let's move on to the next. Script number 25 is setting up heat. So let's execute heat 25. So this will initialize heat orchestration service on this node. After heat is done, we'll see the next script. So we are installing heat on the controller node. Let us see the compute node status. Yes, installation of Nova is done. So last script executed here was Nova 1. So let me execute script number 4. What is the script number 4? Setting up Nova. So I can simply execute it. It will execute script number 4. Restarting Nova service. Super. We have compute running on controller and compute both nodes. Everything is good. Super. So script number 5 is Neutron. So we can execute script number 5 also. This will set up Neutron on the compute node. So we are setting up compute node today. We have done Nova, which is finished, which are done by 3 scripts. Now we are on the compute Neutron on the compute node. In the meanwhile, what is the status on the controller node? Let's take a look. So this is still uploading the packages. Whatever the storage node is also working. Super fast. Next session, watch out. This training is brought to you by the Skillpedia online learning portal. Let me take you to the portal because the installation is going on right now. So www.theskillpedia.com. This training is brought to you by this portal. This is my portal. You can get all my training, all my courses on this portal, theskillpedia.com. So the Skillpedia is online learning for online learning and training. What is the status on the controller node? Still installing, upgrading the packages. No problem. Compute node. Okay, compute node is good. We can. Which one is 9? 9 is Cinder block volume. So let's see what is configured in script number 9. It is installing packages. So package installation is not a problem. Let's install the packages. However, because we are working on MacBook and these scripts originally were created for Ubuntu Linux on AMD 64-bit and Intel-based processor. So therefore, when we are working with Intel-based processor, then there is a slightly difference. The naming of the disk is different in Intel-based processor virtual machines and on MacBook when we are using ARM-based processor. So therefore, we have to make changes into the disk name. I can talk about in the previous lecture also. So this is going on and this is almost done. This is working. Compute node.